Adamawa State Command of the Nigerian Police Force has successfully rescued 13 children who were victims of a human trafficking syndicate, attempting to move them from Adamawa to the eastern region of the country. The revelation was made by the Commissioner of Police CP Morris Dankwambo during a press briefing on the command's activities for the second quarter of 2025. According to the police commissioner, the operation was a result of intensified efforts by the command to tackle crime, which also led to the arrest of 2 suspects alleged to be key figures in the trafficking network. At the headquarters of the Adamawa State Police Command in Yola, journalists gathered for the second quarter 2025 media briefing. Among the highlights was the rescue of 13 children who had been trafficked and kept away from their families for more than 2 years. A covert police operation led to the successful rescue and arrest of suspects, including a woman allegedly involved in abducting and selling children. The Commissioner of Police, CP Morris Dankwambo, commended the intelligence network that enabled the operation and affirmed the command's commitment to fighting child trafficking and other criminal activities.
Key suspects arrested for the period under review. Out of the 567 suspects arrested, the key suspects among them include 1 Mrs. Ngozi Abdulwahab, 43 years old, a resident of Jambutu Yola North, LGA. Mrs. Uche Okoye, 55 years, a resident of Kabiku, Inewi, Anambra State. These 2 women were responsible for the multiple child stealing and trafficking cases from Adamawa to Anambra State and other parts of the country.
In an emotional moment, some parents, upon reuniting with their children, could not hold back tears of joy. One of the grateful parents lauded the police for their swift and determined rescue efforts. Meanwhile, CP Dankwambo also used the occasion to review the command's recent successes and express appreciation to Governor Umaru Fintri for his consistent support to security agencies in the state.
Na gode Allah abin ba abin da zan faɗa ma jami'an tsaro kuma Allah ubangiji ya kara musu basira Allah kara musu hazaka kan aikin da suke na cikin rayukan mutane mun gode musu babu da abin da zamu iya biyan su mai girma gwamnan Adamawa Allah saka mishi da alkhairi Allah sai ya gaba har ya zama shugaban kasar Najeriya.
Suspect arrested through the collaborative effort of the Anti-Kidnapping Crash Squad, Intelligence Unit, Tactical Squad, Area Commanders, and divisional police officers. The command arrested 567 suspects for different offenses, which include kidnapping, culpable homicide, armed robbery, child trafficking, rape, and other sexual offenses. Sheila gang terrorism. The command wishes to extend its profound gratitude to His Excellency the Executive Governor of Adamawa State, Right Honorable Ahmadu Umaru Fintri, CON, for his support at all times in carrying out our operations.
Wrapping up the briefing, the Commissioner extended gratitude to the government and people of Adamawa State for their cooperation and called for continued collaboration in building a safer state for all. Edom John, News Now Television.